Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for KIMT News 3 First at 4. I'm Jessica Bringing. First this afternoon, an arrest has been made and charges filed in an Olmsted County suspicious death investigation. This man, 41-year-old Timothy Loftus, is in custody for his connection to the death of 28-year-old Tia Arleth. Arleth's body was found badly decomposed under a tarp in rural Haverhill Township. That was back in June of this year. Today, the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office says Arleth's family can finally feel a sense of justice.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming.
A press conference Thursday morning is finally shedding light on what led to the suspicious death of 28-year-old Tia Arleth back on June 17th.
To finally get to this point where we were able to file those charges this morning, that part felt good to do from a professional standpoint and for the family.
5 months after the body of Arleth was found badly decomposed in rural Olmsted County, Timothy Loftus from Rochester is being charged with third-degree homicide and interference with a dead body.
We believe that we can prove that Mr. Loftus provided the drugs, specifically probably fentanyl, that led to Miss Arleth's death. So that is count one, third-degree murder.
Arleth's toxicology report revealed she had fentanyl in her system at the time of her death, and investigators believe after she died, Loftus moved her body.
It appears from the investigation that Ms. Arleth probably died at Mr. Loftus's home, and at some point he moved the body.
Only 1 or 2 suspects are charged every year in Olmsted County with third-degree homicide. As the district attorney says, the charges are difficult to prove, but the office is confident there's enough evidence to convict.
It's a very complex case. In these types of cases, we often have to show almost that hand-to-hand transaction that led to her death. And it's hard. And we've had a lot of difficult conversations over this case about how it is, what we need to get there, and we think we've got it.
The sheriff's office says since Loftus has not been forthcoming with information, deputies are thankful for witnesses who came forward despite their own criminal backgrounds.
People, quite honestly, involved in the criminal world that said, "Look, I know I may not be the best person in the world, but I'm going to do what's right, and I want to talk to you guys, and if there's something that's of use to you, I want to talk." That's pretty big.
So now, with the community's help, they're finally able to bring a semblance of closure to Arleth's family.
I believe for the family, that's the most important, that there's finally some answer, someone to focus on and maybe get some answers from.
According to the criminal complaint, a hypodermic needle was located near Arleth's body, along with a small plastic bag containing a pill, and a dolly cart was also located near her. It's been identified as one previously found in Loftus's garage. It's all evidence that could help to convict Loftus. A maximum sentence would be 25 years.